Let's multiply two scientific notation expressions, and this is a lot easier than it looks. All right, how are you going to do this? First of all, I got the steps listed here. I'll walk you through it. You're going to multiply the front numbers. These are called like the coefficients or the factors. I just call them the front numbers. We're going to multiply those two numbers together, and we're going to multiply the powers of 10 together, which means you're just going to end up adding those exponents. So 4 times 3 is 12, and you're going to multiply that times 10 to the 7th, because 5 plus 2 is 7. Expand it out. 12 times 10 to the 7th is going to have some zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there it is. Be careful. It's not always the same number of zeros as the exponent, but in this case it is. Now to put this number back in scientific notation, and if you need a review of that, I'll put a link up here in the corner to my how to write scientific notation. But we're going to move this decimal place back to being between the 1 and the 2, and we get 1.2 times 10 to the 8th. You'd have to move it 8 places to put it back there. So this is the correct answer in scientific notation. All right, you try it. Well, okay. You want to watch me do another one? Okay, I will. 2 times 4 is 8, and we're going to multiply that times 10 to the 5 plus 2. That's how exponents work. If you have the same base, you add the exponents. So this is going to be 8 times 10 to the 7th, which is a wonderful answer. If you expand that out, it's that number. What is that? 80 million? Fun. Okay, now you are going to do the next one. You ready? Go. 4 times 3 is 12, and you are taking that times 10 to the 7 plus negative 4. You're going to remember your integer operations, so this is going to be 12 times 10 to the 3rd. And if you write that out as a number, it turns out to be 12,000. Rewriting that in scientific notation, we end up with 1.2 times 10 to the 4th. Okay, try another one. All right, 6 times 7 is 42, and we have 10 to the negative 5 plus negative 1. This is going to be 42 times 10 to the negative 6. Let's write that as a number. So negative 6 means it's a very small number. So we'll go backwards with the decimal and add some zeros in here. And that's the answer in standard notation. And if you rewrite that in scientific notation, it would be 4.2 times 10 to the negative 5th. Right now, click into the division video, and I will see you over there. Thanks for watching. Bye.